Do you ever feel like your math skills are not as good as you'd like them to be? If so, you're not alone. Mathematics can be a challenging subject for many people, but with the right attitude and dedication, you can quickly improve your math skills. In this video, we'll discuss 7 key strategies that you can use to boost your math skills and help you achieve your goals. Keep watching to find out how to quickly become better at math. Understand the fundamentals. If you want to become better at math, one of the best things you can do is understand the fundamentals. This means going over the basics and reviewing them, so that you understand the concepts behind math and how they work. Start by taking a look at basic algebra and geometry, and then move on to more advanced topics like trigonometry and calculus. Make sure to read through your notes, watch tutorials online, or find other resources that can help you understand the basics. Once you have a good grasp of the fundamentals, you'll be able to move on to more complex topics. Practice. 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 Practicing is one of the best ways to get better at math. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become with the material and the easier it will be to remember and understand it. Start by taking practice tests to get a better understanding of what kind of questions are asked on tests. Then, practice solving different types of problems from a variety of sources such as textbooks, online resources, and study guides. As you continue to practice, make sure to keep track of your progress and areas where you need to focus more time. Additionally, if you're having trouble with a particular concept, go back and practice those sections more often. You can also use flashcards or apps to help you memorize important formulas or equations. Finally, if you're still struggling, consider seeking out additional help from a tutor or study group. Use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices can be a great way to improve your math skills. Mnemonics are memory aids that help you remember and understand difficult concepts. They can be useful for memorizing formulas, equations, numerical sequences, and theorems. For example, when trying to remember the order of operations, PEMDAS, a mnemonic device is often used. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The letters in the phrase correspond to the mathematical operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. Another example is when trying to remember the meaning of pi. You could use the sentence, "How I wish I could calculate pi," with each word representing a letter of the Greek alphabet. Pi equals 3.14159. To create your own mnemonics, start by breaking down the concept you need to remember into smaller parts. Then, create an acronym or sentence using words or phrases that are easy to remember and will help you recall the concept. Understand your learning style. Learning styles are individual ways of processing information and engaging with the world around us. When it comes to math, everyone learns differently, so it's important to understand your own learning style in order to maximize your potential. Are you a visual learner who can easily grasp mathematical concepts by looking at diagrams or pictures? Or are you more of an auditory learner, understanding math better by hearing explanations? Once you identify your learning style, you can use it to your advantage. If you're a visual learner, try creating visuals for mathematical concepts that help you remember them better. If you're an auditory learner, seek out tutors or study groups that can provide verbal explanations and examples. Understanding your own learning style will help you make the most of your study time and ultimately improve your math skills. Find a tutor or study group. If you're struggling to get a better grasp on the fundamentals of mathematics, finding a tutor or study group can be an invaluable resource. A tutor can provide personalized assistance and help you review topics at your own pace. This can be especially beneficial if you have a specific area of mathematics where you need more practice or additional help. Study groups can also be helpful if you're looking for assistance with your math skills. When studying with a group, you'll have access to a range of perspectives and advice that can help you better understand the material. Additionally, study groups can provide valuable encouragement when tackling tough topics. Take advantage of technology. The world of technology can be a great asset when it comes to improving your math skills. There are a variety of websites, apps, and software programs that can help you learn and practice math problems. Look into websites like Khan Academy and Mathway, which offer lessons and tutorials in a range of topics from basic arithmetic to calculus. You can also find a variety of apps and software programs that can help you with your math homework, such as MathHelper or QuickMath. No matter what type of math you're studying, technology can help you get better. Take advantage of the resources available to you and use technology to boost your math skills. Developing problem-solving skills. When it comes to improving your math skills, problem-solving is a key component. It requires the ability to analyze, understand, and apply mathematical concepts. To become a better problem solver in mathematics, there are certain steps you can take. First, practice breaking down problems into their individual parts. This helps you to understand each element and how they work together to make up the entire problem. Identifying the different elements and understanding how they interrelate can help you solve complex equations more quickly. It's also important to develop an intuition for patterns and strategies. These can be very helpful in helping you recognize similar problems and what approach will work best for them. Learning about algorithms is a great way to practice identifying patterns that may help you solve problems faster. Finally, try to approach each problem with an open mind. If you get stuck on one solution, take a step back and look for other possible ways of solving the problem. Oftentimes there is more than one way to solve a problem, and it's beneficial to explore different approaches until you find the one that works best for you. By understanding the fundamentals, practicing frequently, using mnemonic devices, and honing your problem-solving skills, you can significantly improve your math skills. Keep up the good work, and soon enough you will be on your way to becoming a math whiz.